Day. Welcome to another series of Chemistry Just Got Easier with Dr. Tutos. In today's class, we are going to be briefly talking about the importance of the periodic table. What is the importance of the periodic table? The importance of the periodic table is that it helps scientists to know the chemical properties of elements. By knowing the position of elements on the periodic table, the scientists are able to predict about its reactivity, the type of bonding, and the chemical uses. Let's say for instance an element in group 1. We know that the group 1 are the alkali metals. And we know that metals have properties like being malleable, being ductile. So, and they are good conductors of electricity. So elements in group 2, we know they are the alkaline earth metals. And they are also good conductors of electricity. When we talk about elements in group 3 to 12, they are the transition elements, transition metals. So when we talk about elements in group 17, they are the halogens. And elements in group 18, they are the noble gases. And knowing the position of the elements in the periodic table will help us know if the elements will form a bond, the type of bond it will form, and its chemical uses. Let's say, for instance, we know that elements in group 18 are stable. They are non-reactive because they have a full outermost shell. And we know that most non-metals, which are, for example, the halogens, most non-metals, they form what? Mostly covalent bonds. And when we talk about a combination between group 1 elements and maybe group 7 elements, we know that the type of bond that they will form is an ionic bond. Take, for instance, sodium is an element in group 1. We have another element in group 1, like potassium. If sodium or potassium is reactive with an element in group 17, let's say chlorine, group 17, they will form a bond known as ionic bond. So the position of elements in the periodic table will allow the scientists to know the kind of bond that will be formed, the chemical uses, and also the properties of the element. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.